We had an unusual February here on the Sun Coast.
It was so hot.
Yeah. But now,
And
normal.
It's normal. And we were expecting this to happen too. We were looking at long-range models about 2 weeks ago, and sure enough, it was indicating a cool down. And this is going to stick around too for a while. So it's not going to just go away over a week or two, and we'll get back into those upper 70s to low 80s. No, it's going to stick around a while. So
I saw a few people walking around in vests and scarves today, and I was like, oh my goodness.
I had shorts and a sleeveless shirt on this morning. I went back in real quick because it was a little bit too 47 degrees this morning. That was chilly at the airport. Yeah. 40 is not out of the question again tomorrow in places. Lakewood Ranch, a beautiful afternoon though. Lots of clear skies out there, hardly a cloud to be found, and that's a result of high pressure which is built in behind this front. And this front is going to be modified considerably tomorrow. And speaking of snowbirds, and here's a look at those snowbirds right there. White pelicans, they come down from Canada and also in the northern portions of the United States. And Terry sending this one in on the pond there. They're bigger than the normal brown pelicans that we see here, and they don't dive for their food. They just stick their big, longer beaks in the water around the bait and get their food. Well, Titan radar picture showing the first of a couple of fronts headed our way. Right now it's producing rainfall into Texas, Louisiana, stretching up into parts of Illinois tonight, and then it changes over to snow. Heavy snow and heavy snow warnings are in effect. This is a blizzard warning in effect for parts of the Dakotas. We have a fire danger into Kansas and Oklahoma. This is a high wind warning, and on top of that, winter storm warnings in effect all the way through Minnesota. This is all going to shift eastward too over the upcoming 48 hours. Look at the snowfall totals through this week. You can see in some areas bullseyeing up to nearly 18 to 20 inches of snow for places into Vermont. Good for skiing there, but tough weather into Michigan as well as into Wisconsin. Lesser amounts in Ohio, but still they're going to get quite a bit of snowfall there over the upcoming days. 68 degrees right now, and the dew point is at 46. That's extremely low, and the temperatures will get cold again at 47 this morning at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport, not close to the record. 74 the high. It was pretty close to the average. 61 in Jacksonville, 72 now in Orlando. It's 70 in Miami, 72 in Key West. The forecast tomorrow looks to be a little bit warmer. We'll have highs in the mid to upper 70s away from the water. Right in the beach is right around 75 degrees. Well, the satellite and radar picture showing that massive winter storm gaining strength now in the upper Mississippi Valley and the northern plain states. That will head east. It will send a cold front our way, but before that, the warm air moves in from the south in advance of the front. The front approaching the Panhandle on Tuesday morning. That warm air goes away, and a chance for a few showers looks like late on into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. But Wednesday morning will be the wettest of them all. And I think that we'll get up to maybe a ½ inch to an inch of rainfall in a large area of the Sun Coast. Now, the long-range forecast, now that was for Wednesday. Look at this. Saturday looks good here, a few clouds, and then yes, here comes another front headed right our way on Sunday. So another chance for some showers. We could even see some thunderstorms with this front. Even though on Wednesday there's a slight chance for a few thunderstorms on Wednesday morning, but it will be rather disruptive for commuters and folks dropping off their kids on Wednesday morning. Well, temperatures have chilled out over the northern plain states and throughout the Great Lakes region in the 30s there. So winter certainly has come back with a vengeance across most of the United States. Southeast winds turn to the south at 5 to 10 knots in the morning and then 15 knots in the afternoon. We'll have a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. Well, a lot to take in. A first alert weather day on Wednesday, especially in the morning, showers disrupting the day. Could clear out for the spring training games, both down at the Rays Stadium as well as in the Pirates. And then cooler on Thursday and Friday, a much better chance for rain on Wednesday. Some of these storms could be strong. We'll have to monitor this, and as I alluded to, it looks like this cool spell will last at least through mid-March. Back to you.
All right, Bob, thank you.